Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to log out of Facebook Messenger on all devices. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. First of all, we go to Messenger. Here we go to the menu in the upper left corner. Click on the gear. Then scroll to the bottom. And we need to go to the center of accounts in order to exit Facebook Messenger. Here we click on Password and Security. And now we have two options. The first is if you think someone knows your Facebook password, and you're afraid that in the future that person might use it. Then you'd want to change your password. So to do that, you go to Change Password. Select Facebook. Since Messenger is tied to Facebook, here you will have to enter your current password and enter a new password, and then enter the new password again and confirm the action. But don't forget that the password must be 6 characters long and include a combination of numbers and letters and special characters. There is one more option how you can definitely log out of Facebook Messenger on all devices. Just to do that, under Password and Security, you select this section where you're logged in. Then we select our Facebook account. And here we see our devices that we logged into Facebook from. At the moment I have an iPhone 10. Also Android. If you log out of one of the devices, you'll automatically log out of the other. To do that, you have to click on Select at the bottom. Click on that. Then select Device, click here, and click Log Out. Confirm. Now if you log back into Messenger, you can see that you're logged out of Facebook Messenger on all of your devices. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to write your comments, put your likes, and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon.